So today's topic, in this video, we're going to talk about the obesity pandemic that Mexico has been going through and how much does it have cost to it. It can be said that obesity is a serious problem within society. Currently, the government seeks to mitigate the situation by applying a tax on consumption of these foods. So that's why we are going to take example of soft drinks. Let's start with the impact on economic variables. So here we got the chart that tells us how does the demand and supply act regarding the price. Since you can see it starts by $14 to $24, and the quantity demands can be either increasing or decreasing, such as the quantity supplied. So now, in order to analyze the behavior of this data, it has to be graphed. So you take the price and put it in the y-axis and the quantities in the x-axis. In this way, you can start to mark your points, and as you keep marking your points, you'll see you get two lines and they intersect in a point. The intersection is the equilibrium price and quantity, which tell us that the quantity that buyers are willing to purchase is equal to the quantity that sellers want to sell. In this case, our price equilibrium is 19 pesos and the quantity equilibrium is equal to 65. So now, to make the things change, let's assume that the Mexican government impose 2 more pesos in taxes for producers. Then, as you can see, the chart will change in the supplier section. You just have to add 2 more since that's what it would cost to them, and also there would be a change in the graph. So now we're going to analyze the change graph. So as you can see, there was like a slightly change on it. It was not pretty big, but this slight change was enough in order to change our equilibrium price and equilibrium quantity. So the first one now is equal to 18.8, and the second one is, well, the first one is 18.8 pesos, and the second one is equal to 66 in quantities. So now what we can say is that even though there was like this change in the prices too, there is not like a big difference. I mean, there is a difference in the demand since it decreases like in a very few way. This due to the elasticity of the product that is involved too. So yeah, there's no big change on this, and more because these are products that are in every family. So even though the prices change, people is going to keep buying it. It's not gonna be a big effect on them. Okay, so now that we have learned a little bit about this, here comes our conclusion. So overall, we can say that this problem has increased in recent years due to a variety of reasons, such as the increase in processed products, price increases, influence through social media, and so on. It is important that the country continues to look for strategies in which it can support to face this problem, because as we were able to analyze, it is not only a social problematic but also an economic one, as it has cost Mexico over 85 million pesos, and this could continue to increase. However, it is worth mentioning that the greatest damage is done to the people who belong to this vulnerable group, because although it is a problem, the current culture that exists in Mexico has shown a level of denigration and lack of respect towards this group. It is pretty different to support the fight against this problem than to disguise a speech of hate that supposedly seeks to mitigate it. It takes both sides, such social and political economic, to bring about a change. So thank you so much for listening. This video was made by Diana Padilla Guzman, Marian Sophie Valencia Paragoso, and Alejandro Bernardo Alpuesta. Hope you like it and see you next time.